Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for Take. Custom ROM world is evolving faster than the stock OEM ROMs updates nowadays. Few days before we got the Infinity X 2.5 update, but officially supported devices like OnePlus 12R and others finally got the new Infinity X 2.6 update with some minor changes. Even the non-officially supported devices can now use the Infinity X custom JSI on their devices using the DSU sideloader without rooting your device. We already in-depthly reviewed the Infinity X 2.5 with all the new mesmerizing features of this update. It has almost all the essential and the best feature of OxygenOS, Nothing OS, iOS and the Pixel OS. You can check that video from the icard link. I am first time trying the custom ROMs on OnePlus 12R. We already created the flashing tutorial for this ROM. You will find that in a video description. So today we are reviewing this ROM in three different parts. First, what's new we get in the new Infinity 2.6 update. What features of OxygenOS 15 we will still get if you want to switch from the OxygenOS to custom ROMs, and what features are new which are not available for OxygenOS 15. Finally, we've shown what's working and what are the bugs with the missing features of OxygenOS 15 in this ROM. If you are thinking to switch from OxygenOS 15 to Infinity X, this video will be especially useful for all OnePlus device users which are running with the OxygenOS 15 and want to switch to a custom ROM. So watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started.
It's a new adventure. On a new adventure.
Let's first check out what's new we'll get if you upgrade Rising OS 2.5 to 2.6. If you check the about device details, you can see this is the same Android 15 2.6 build. OnePlus 12R is officially supported by this ROM. Security patches of these updates are new from the latest March 2025. Current version is 5.15.175 built with the latest Clang toolchain 19. Build date of this Rising OS is of 3rd April 2025. There are only few minor changes in this build as compared to the previous version. Now some settings in the Infinity X suite customizations like icon pack and others have horizontal card layout. While scrolling between these customization cards is very smooth with the haptic feedback. Next, under the notification, we got this new ongoing action chip toggle, which will show such progress bar notification in a status bar. This progress bar will be available for all the ongoing activities like navigation, downloading of applications from the third-party application and from the Play Store, etc. Except these changes, no new features I got in this build, but you can check our old video where I discussed all the customization features of this build. Now the main question arises in the mind of lots of OnePlus users: if we switch to custom ROM, does we will get all the OxygenOS 15 features or not? Answer is no, but some features will be available. Let's check out them. On the home screen of launcher, same OxygenOS clock widget is available for this ROM. Even we can add same never settle clock style using the customizations available in the Infinity Suite and the lock screen option. You will get almost all the always on display customizations of OxygenOS 15 like edge lightning notification, ambient text and the images customizations for always on display. But still some advanced features like AOD canvas, animated stickers, images, clocks will not be available in such ROM. But you get some more advanced features that we will check soon. Next, depth wallpaper like customizations for lock screen is available and it's more advanced than the OxygenOS 15. You can add any images as a depth wallpaper. You can check the icard video for detailed instruction how to use this feature and can create the amazing depth effect of lock screen wallpaper. Even gets all the fingerprint animations like OxygenOS 15. We can also add the custom fingerprint icons here. This feature is more customizable than the OxygenOS 15. If you want to use some OxygenOS 15 elements like fonts by using the font style customization, we can add OnePlus Sans and the Slate font styles. For quick setting header images clock, we can use OxygenOS clock style. Next, what about the multitasking? OxygenOS 15 has much advanced multitasking experience, but the Infinity X also offers the better multitasking by use of app sidebar option. Even we can open the multiple application at the same time using this feature. We can expand and minimize them to any size. We can pin them to the top left side of the screen. Only advanced gestures of OxygenOS like closing application by swiping up, dragging multi-windows to open application in a full screen. Such gestures are not available for this feature. You will get the app lock and the hide feature of OxygenOS in this ROM in the launcher home setting. So you can lock and hide any application by just few simple steps. Like OxygenOS Game Space, you get the Game Space feature in this ROM. Even it has some advanced feature to force 120 Hz for all the games which is not available in OxygenOS. New Dolby Atmos is inbuilt in this ROM and it has much better tuning and the features of audio as compared to the OxygenOS 15. I can clearly say this feature of Infinitex will make your device audio quality to the next level. So we seen which OxygenOS features will be available for this build, but instead of this, you will get much better features and the customizations. One of that is the lock screen widgets. You can add device info widget on the lock screen, which will show you some information of battery level, RAM status, CPU load, and device temperature. This widget also displayed on the always on display. Except this, we can add two big and four small interactive widgets on the lock screen, which can be toggled on or off directly on the lock screen. For detailed review of this feature, please check our old Infinity X 2.5 review video. Like OxygenOS, you can add lock screen and the home screen blur effect for wallpapers, but this one is more advanced. Who gets the frosted glass effect for this ROM for the wallpaper blur effect. Even we get one of the different setting called as the wallpaper dim effect. You can literally change the boot animation of your device to the different style like Google, Cyberpunk, CTOS, etc. Such features are not available in the OxygenOS. Under display and the color setting, you will get the new Sony's X Reality engine, which will help to change your display, videos, and the picture color tone to true colors. Instead of this, some advanced spoofing features are available in the miscellaneous setting of Infinity X Suite customization. I will not go deeper in other customization features of status bar, themes, lock screen, QS panel, etc. If you previously used any of custom ROM, you may already know about the custom ROM features which are not available for any of the stock ROMs. Let's come to the next point, what's working in the OnePlus 12R. So I did the thorough testing of all the essential features from Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, etc. All are working fine. All the sensors are working. Even OnePlus alert slider is fully working in this ROM. Google Play Protect is certified and the device Play integrated checks are working, so you can use all the banking and the payment application without issues in this ROM. So what are the bugs and the missing features of OxygenOS 15 if you upgrade to this build? First, you will get the lineage aperture camera application in this ROM, which is a basic one. You will lose the OxygenOS camera, but you can use the Google Cam, which has a tensor spoofing feature in this build, which may generate better video and the photo quality. You will not get the live alerts feature of OxygenOS 15 for ongoing activities, but you can use the dynamic island like notification which resembles with the live alert, but the now playing dynamic island feature is buggy. Circle to search feature is available in this ROM, but it's buggy and not working, but you can enable it using our mod video. Its link is given in icard. You will not get any OxygenOS 15 AI features. You also not get the file dock feature of OxygenOS sidebar. Flux theme customization will be major concern for me. Your wideband security level will be L3, so you can't able to use Netflix or other media streaming application at the full HD resolution. So what is my final conclusion? Old devices which are still using OxygenOS 13 and 14 can definitely upgrade to this custom ROM. Other devices like Poco, Xiaomi, Realme, Samsung, whose software upgrade are stopped by OEM, definitely you can switch to this ROM. Only OxygenOS 15 users, you may lose more advanced features like Flux theme, OxygenOS AI features and the camera, so they may think this ROM is a deal breaking. This is all about for today. Hope you guys liked our work. Then please do like and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.